In front of me is INFINIX Note 30 VIP, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. First of all, you need to open Devices Settings and scroll to click on Security. Now choose Face Unlock here. And enter your current login method. Following that, tap on Enroll Face. Wait 5 seconds, read all of those instructions and disclaimers, and when you finish, hit Start. Then keep your face in frame, following all of the instructions from your screen. Tap on Unlock directly or Stay on Lock screen. Hit Done. Manage all of those options however you want to, and when you finished, go back. So when I switch off my screen, turn it back on and look at it. I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!